Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Some of you have been having an issue on how to withdraw funds from Vinancee.net or Vinancee.app. Remember, guys, Vinancee.net and Vinancee.app is the same. It's just a redirection to Vinancee.app as a secure platform. So I will show you step by step on how you can log into your account, or if you have done already the trades, and then make a withdrawal. So today we are going to do this. So I'll go direct to my account. Let me search Vinancee.net. You see, guys, if you see this Vinancee.net here, if you go to it direct, it redirects you to Vinancee.app. Don't panic, it's the same uh, company. So it's just a secure platform. So once you go there, now you need to log in. Okay, I've already logged in, so I'll click on dashboard. Right, so I have already logged in, guys, just know that. So I'll click on dashboard like that, and then you see on my account here I have 528 USDT. So I want now to withdraw it to my external wallet like Binance. Okay, so what I do, I'll click on the three dots on my left, and then I'll go to manage wallet. I'll click that step by step, guys, and then I'll click on, you see I have the amount on my spot wallet, so I'll click on view, and then I'll scroll down here and click withdraw, and put amount is 500. So you see the so the limit is 199. So after putting the amount, I'll click on submit. Right, and now on this step they asking me to put my USDT address, guys. So they're saying please enter your USDT to receive 20 wallet address in the field below here. So I'll go to my Binance. Right, go to my Binance, click USDT, and then click funds, deposit Tron TRC20, and then deposit the copy this address like that, and then I'll come here and paste it. All right, and then submit. Okay, guys, it's as easy as that. You see now the withdrawal is pending, and it usually takes a few seconds to reflect. It's now in the blockchain, and it's being approved. So let's wait for it, and then I get back to you when it lands in my Binance. So guys, as you can see, the withdrawal has been submitted. So I'm still waiting for it to arrive. So guys, it has been 3 minutes now since I made a withdrawal, and I have received an email. Let me refresh this. All right, let me refresh my account. You see it has been approved. So if I go to my Binance now, you see my Binance is here, and I have now 2,289. So when I click on my portfolio here, and then crypto deposit, see the crypto deposit of 497 USDT approved. Oh yes, oh, the reason why I got 497 is 3 USDT here went to the network fee. Okay, yes, so now I have 497 USDT, guys. All right, guys, so that's how you can simply make a simple withdrawal from your account. And guys, I've told you already, Vinancee.net will redirect you to Vinancee.app as a secure domain, so don't worry about that. So make your deposits, do trades, and make withdrawals, guys. Okay, now if you can see in my account, I only have 28 USD. Before I had only 528 USD, so I did a withdrawal of 500. I got 497 in my account. You can see the date is 2025/06 10th. So guys, good luck. Thank you.